messages. Observe illuminations. Okay? Yeah, I knew this message was going to be good. This is like saying it basically. Like, what you are observing. You are observing synchronicities, you are observing alignments, you're noticing these things, you are aware of all of this. You're seeing the angel numbers, you're putting two and two together. You're smart. You're really smart. You are a genius, is what I'm hearing. This card again here is letting me know that you're very powerful, and your power, you're containing it. You're containing your power and energy. Your energy is coming back to you, and it just keeps getting stronger within you. You are able to contain your energy now. It is actually building up and building up. It feels so good. Yeah, it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. Dark night of the soul. Life brings new meaning. So you've been through the darkness, okay? We've established that. And your perspectives are shifting. They have shifted, and they're continuing to shift. You're seeing the world in a different light. Old things may be wanting to stay with you. They're trying to stay with you. This time is a time where the old is maybe reoccurring and popping up to see if you still want it. But this is where you show the universe that you don't want it. You can let the trash go. Drop the baggage, drop the old baggage, so you can have your hands open for what's new to come to you, what's glorious, because it's way better than what you're letting go of.